Today we are going to go over how to replace a diaphragm in an IMI PBM radial diaphragm valve with manual operator. First, remove the main body from the pad by detaching the hygienic clamp. The hygienic gasket may also come off with the body. You will want to remove that as well. Using the proper spanner wrench, loosen and remove the coupling nut at the base of the body. Then pull the operator and diaphragm out of the body cavity. Unthread the diaphragm from the manual actuator by turning counterclockwise. Once the diaphragm has been removed, install the new diaphragm by threading the new diaphragm onto the manual actuator by turning clockwise. Inspect the new diaphragm where it mates to the body and pad for debris or damage. Any debris or damage may cause the seal between the body or pad and diaphragm to become compromised. Once the diaphragm is threaded on completely, open the operator completely or almost completely until the base of the diaphragm is flush with the top of the retainer before inserting into the valve body. Insert the diaphragm into the body cavity, and once the diaphragm is in the cavity, use the spanner wrench to tighten the coupling nut onto the body to ensure that the nut is secure. You will want the valve to be in the open position to attach the body to the pad. Attach the body to the pad using the hygienic clamp and use a new hygienic gasket for the hygienic clamp connection.